2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.